The folks at Reallusion have teased some of the amazing tools and features coming to character artists and animators in 2026, and these tools comes with some amazing cool features, and most of all, we're getting some artistic intelligence tools that will support artists to save them time and allow them focus on the creative process rather than technicalities. And with that said, let's talk about the cool features that folks at Reallusion will be rolling out in 2026. First off is the RTX rendering integration, as RTX rendering is being introduced into Character Creator and iClone as a free update. This has been developed in collaboration with the folks at NVIDIA, and this integration delivers cinematic quality path trace rendering at a near real-time speed. So instead of going over to other DCC apps to get your stuff rendered, you can now do them right inside of Character Creator and iClone, as this significantly reduces the gap between preview and final output. And by leveraging the RTX GPUs and DLSS, artists can now achieve high-performance rendering with exceptional visual fidelity. And of course, this system is highly optimized for Reallusion's ecosystem, which ensures smooth workflows even in complex scenes. Alongside this, we're also getting advanced digital human shading, as with the integration of the RTX rendering, this now enhances the digital human creation with more precise control over hair, skin, and subsurface scattering. And this improvement allows for a more accurate light interaction, which results to a much more lifelike texture and depth. And for those who care about details, fine details such as skin translucency, hair strands behavior, and micro subsurface imperfections are also rendered with greater realism, bringing characters closer to true photorealistic quality. And beyond character works, we're also getting expanded visualization capabilities, as RTX opens up a new world of possibilities in terms of commercial visualization and industrial design, as artists can now create richer, more immersive environments with dynamic lighting systems. So features that were previously sought after, such as time of day transition, adjustable cloud density, and natural atmospheric effects, can now be done and simulated easier. And this brings about that real-world lighting condition to achieve visually compelling scenes with minimal manual adjustments. And in 2026, AccuFace version 2 will be released, and this will be enhancing facial motion capture, as AccuFace version 2 gets to receive a major upgrade which will redefine facial motion capture for Reallusion's Character Creator 5, and this newly trained tracking system is optimized for CC5 characters, and this will be delivering high accuracy and responsiveness. And with this upgrade, users of AccuFace 2 will be able to capture subtle high-frequency lip-sync movements and micro-expressions, resulting in more natural speech and emotional performance. And AccuFace 2 would also be offering support for both live webcam inputs and video-based tracking. And in this sense, this will be providing a much more flexible capturing options for users. And all of this will be done without compromising quality. And when combined with the video motion capture, users can now seamlessly produce high-quality facial and full-body animations with and within the Reallusion toolsets. And speaking of animation, characters, and assets, Headshot 3 is coming, and this is the latest upgrade to Reallusion's Headshot, which is a tool that can be used to generate 3D character headshots with a single image. And the latest upgrade to Headshot version 3 introduces full 3D character generation from both text prompts and images. And this enables users to rapidly create highly accurate and detailed head models. And for those who like to do some nice tweaking, advanced tools such as the Bezier-based portrait and profile adjustment are also available to give more precise control over facial structure and detail. At the same time, lens correction and photo cleanup features will be shipping with Headshot 3, as these would allow for nice facial structure and detailed refinement as well. And with these advanced tools, users will be able to remove both shadows, correct distortions, and enhance their image quality for more consistent results. But that's not all for Headshot 3. Headshot 3 would also be shipping with a full body image measurement support. And with this, you'll be able to go from creating the headshot of a character all the way to creating the full 3D model. And with the image measurement support, this would ensure accurate proportions across the entire character. And with this, it will be easier for artists to make believable characters, which can be suitable for both cinematic and real-time applications. Speaking about 3D models and character creation, there is a brand new wrapping technology which enables 3D models and cloak meshes to be converted into fully functional character creator assets. And what this means is you can simply bring in your generated 3D models and use the brand new wrapping technology to wrap the generated character, and this will conform to standard CC topology, ensuring compatibility with the animation system in Character Creator. Interestingly, you also have full control over expressions and movement as well. And in terms of skin weighting and outfit creation, you can also generate detailed 3D outfits from image references, and those outfits can be brought into Character Creator and automatic skin weighting can be applied to them. These by default streamlines the character creation pipeline. And with this, you can now simply go from generated models to fully animated 3D models in a couple of minutes. At the same time, we're getting some nice new updates which introduces joint corrective morph built on a joint-based deformation system. This update would greatly enhance and improve body shape accuracy, especially in extreme environments. So in certain cases, once your character moves, it sort of breaks the mesh. But with joint corrective morph, this holds up properly as it simply goes beyond basic corrective morphs, as these simulates a much more natural deformation on your models, which will result to a nicer looking character behavior and realistic animation. And in terms of AI, we're getting a brand new AI studio, as this is a major addition that transforms 3D previous projects into realistic images and videos almost instantly. And this also supports a wide range of stylized rendering, which would offer artists some incredible flexibility to match specific visual styles. And for those who are looking for real-time production and final output, the AI studio bridges the gap by simply accelerating the creative process. And still speaking about the AI studio, in terms of performance and character consistency, this comes built in, as the AI actor creator simply ensures character consistency across multiple shots while delivering natural, lifelike dialogue and performances. At the same time, this also maintains the visual and behavioral coherence, which is pretty essential for storytelling and cinematic production. And for those who are thinking about camera control and animation, the AI-powered tools enable precise character interaction and camera movement, and all of these are simply guided by iClone's motion data and reference footage. And this allows for more controlled and intentional scene direction, improving both efficiency and creative control. The AI Studio would be powered by Reallusion's iCloud service, and the entire pipeline is streamed for maximum efficiency, allowing creators to achieve high-performance results without requiring additional hardware or expensive equipment. And one more thing which we'll be getting in 2026 would include the advanced animation and rigging tools. And this is pretty interesting, as the animation system now extends beyond traditional human character and skeletal structures. So if you work with motion capture and you're thinking about retargeting across characters with matching hierarchies, this is now easier. And the new animation system would ensure consistent animation transfer across both characters. And of course, if you love features like squash and stretch, spin dynamics, secondary motion, and collision-aware simulation, all of these are also going to be available with the set of tools coming to Character Creator and iClone from the folks at Reallusion in 2026. So this is it for those who like to take a look at this, or possibly you'd like to grab a fresh copy of Character Creator or iClone, or maybe you would like to see some of the cool features and stuff that they've made before, which includes free characters, the free rigging tool that they currently have, or potentially you like to explore fashion gen or grab some free motion captured animations. Then links to all of this is going to be in the description, so do well to check it out. A huge shout out to the folks at Reallusion for making this possible. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and until I see you guys in the next one, peace.